People are calling this the biggest airdrop of 2025, and you want to make sure to not miss out because they just released all the details about their points program for season 2. So I thought I would share everything in detail so that you can maximize your points and earn a 5-figure, potentially even 6-figure airdrop. This is a Lighter Dex that we are talking about. I will leave their Twitter and some of these documents down below. In the last few weeks, they've been doing more volume than Hyperliquid, almost similar volume to Aster DEX. But the main thing that sets this one apart and why it's going to be such a massive airdrop is that for season 1 and season 2, they allocated 30% of their tokens to the community airdrop and reserved 20% for future airdrops. So 50% of all tokens is allocated for community airdrops, which is more than basically any other big airdrop that I've ever seen, at least. And Polymarket is currently showing an 87% probability that the airdrop will be happening before December 31st. So if you take this airdrop farming seriously for the next couple of months, you can be looking at a very juicy airdrop. Now, they do also have some major plans in the future. Apparently, there is a pretty big meme coin drop incoming. Apparently, they are working on a prediction market to integrate into the platform and also token buybacks from their revenues. And revenue is currently over $20 million a month. So that will obviously create a lot of buying pressure on the token when they actually launch. Just to give you a rough idea of how much this project might be worth, on Polymarket right now, 81% of people are saying it's going to be worth over $2 billion fully diluted value, but there's a 60% chance that it will be over $4 billion and a 36% chance, which is still pretty high, that it will be over $6 billion. Right now, one single lighter point is selling for $88. It did almost reach $100, I believe, OTC. I just started farming this airdrop myself last week, and I'm already at 7 points, which might not sound too much, but at $100 per point, that's already $700. And you can easily do the same. If you're not familiar with the platform, it's pretty much like any other DEX, like Hyperliquid or like Aster. You just need to sign up. Would highly appreciate it if you sign up with my link down below. It helps support me and the channel. But this is what it looks like. So after you sign up, just connect to a wallet like MetaMask, click on deposit, and you just deposit money from any of these chains. Once you have deposited this money, it will obviously show up in your account and you can start trading. You can trade all sorts of token, and just a couple of days ago, they actually also added gold and silver. So as you can see, you can trade gold with up to 15x leverage, which is great if you want gold exposure. Gold is obviously a really hot commodity these days. So if you want to trade gold or silver on leverage, this is a great place to do so. But let's talk about these details that they recently shared regarding season 2 of their airdrop. So in season 1, they distributed 250,000 points per week. They will still be doing the same, 250,000 points, but 20% of that, or 50,000, is allocated towards market makers. So basically 200,000 points will be distributed to the community every week and to normal traders. Now, if you go to the retail section, as you can see right here, 200,000 points per week will be distributed every Friday. Points will cover activity from Wednesday inclusive through Tuesday inclusive. Some of the categories that affect how many points are distributed include volume, open interest, fundings, liquidations, and P&L. Now, one important thing if you want to maximize this airdrop is that having a premium account impacts the weight of the metrics. So you earn more points if you have a premium account. Let me show you what that looks like. If you head into your portfolio and then click on account type, most of you will be on this free account when you first sign up. That means 0 fees on Lighter, which is great. But if you do want to maximize your points, you do want to enable this premium account instead. Now, with the premium account, you do get some additional features and faster speeds and better fills, etc. But it does come with still pretty low fees. So I would recommend that if you are farming the airdrop. You can change account type once every 24 hours. So just click on premium, click on confirm, and you are good to go. Now, there is a lot of valuable information in this document under this retail section, so I will leave the link to this document down below if you want to check it out for yourself. But essentially, the main way to earn points is by trading volume. The more volume you have on your account, the more points you will be making. And if you trade smaller and less liquid tokens, you will probably earn more points as well. For example, $100 in volume on Bitcoin does not yield the same number of points as $100 in volume on Hype. Another pretty important thing is Sybil detection and farming. Make sure you're not wash trading. You do want to act as a normal trader. What they're saying is that we apply different Sybil detection methods, both fully automated and semi-automated, to detect Sybil accounts. We allow up to 10 accounts per user without penalty, as we understand that some people choose to maintain multiple accounts for risk management. So you can have multiple accounts, just don't have more than 10, and try to stay away from wash trading. Try to trade in a more normal manner. Now, I have told you in some of my previous airdrop videos about a neutral way to farm this airdrop as well. If you're not an experienced trader and you don't want to put big trades on, because you don't know what you're doing, essentially, you will probably lose all your money and get liquidated. So to avoid that, one way to do this without losing money is to basically counter trade on a different platform. For example, Aster still has their airdrop stage 3 going until November 9th. So if you, for example, enter a 10x long with $1,000 on Lighter, and then at the same exact time enter a 10x short with $1,000 on Bitcoin, and make sure to close them at the same time as well, you will generate volume on both platforms, earn points for both of these airdrops, but the profit and loss will essentially cancel each other out. So if you make $100 on Lighter, you will lose $100 on Aster. You will only lose a tiny amount of money on the fees on these platforms, but you won't actually lose any money from the trades themselves. Now, as Lighter themselves are saying, season 2 will run through the end of 2025, so you do have a couple months to farm this airdrop. And the thing to remember is the earlier you get in, the more points you will earn, because right now there are not a lot of people talking about this Lighter airdrop. With, for example, Aster a few weeks ago, everyone was talking about it. Every YouTuber that I know was making videos on it. I haven't seen any of them talk about Lighter, and there's 200,000 points distributed every week towards the users. So if you get in before the masses, you will obviously earn a lot more points than if you get in after the masses, because the 200,000 points will be distributed no matter how many people are using the platform. So those 200,000 points might be shared between 10,000 users, or maybe in a month from now it will be shared between 50,000 users, because people will be starting to catch on. So the earlier you jump on this trend, the more points you will be making. It is a great DEX overall. I have been trading on this myself these last few weeks. It's been great. I've been making points. And because they're allocating 50% to this airdrop, and they will probably launch at like a $4 to $6 billion valuation, this will probably be the biggest airdrop of 2025, which is why you want to farm it. Again, if you found any value from this video and want to help support the channel, would highly appreciate it if you sign up with my link down below. If you have any questions at all, you can join my Telegram and ask me in there, or just ask me down below in the comment section. If you're looking for the best non-KYC crypto exchange that works in the US or anywhere else in the world, make sure to check out BTCC. This is my go-to exchange at the moment. They've been around for 14 years. They're one of the few non-KYC exchanges you can withdraw up to $10,000 a day without having to do KYC. They do up to 500x leverage, and they give you a 10% deposit bonus when signing up with my link down below. So if you deposit $1,000, you get an extra 100. If you deposit 10,000, you get an extra 1,000. So make sure to check out BTCC down below. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to smash a like and subscribe to the channel. Now, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.